Okay, so a proof by exhaustion question here, okay, where they say prime numbers between 2 and 25, but not including 2, yeah, because 2 is a prime number. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is a table of all of those prime numbers, okay, all of those prime numbers between 2 and 25. And we'll check whether this then is divisible by 8. So the prime numbers between 2 and 25, well 2 isn't, as I said, because it's going to be greater than 2, it won't include 2, but it'll be 3, 4 isn't prime, 5 is prime, 7 is prime, the next prime number is 11, 13, 17, 19 and 23. Remember, it's a prime number has got exactly 2 factors, 1 in itself, no other factors. So here we can see all the prime numbers here. We just need to work out what p minus 1, p plus 1 is, okay? And then the question is then, is it divisible by 8? So that's the question mark there, okay? And we want to prove that they are all divisible by 8. So if we put the first one in, 3 minus 1, 3 plus 1. So if we work that out, it becomes 8. And of course, that is divisible by 8, isn't it? Because 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Okay, so that one clearly works. Put 5 in. Okay, 5 take away 1 is 4, and then times then 6 is 24. Okay, so the answer is 24. Divisible by 8, well 24 divided by 8 is equal to 3. So indeed it is. Yeah. So next one then, 7 take away 1, 7 plus 1. Okay, so that comes out to be 48. And then 48 divided by 8 comes out to be 6. Okay, so you can see these are divisible by 8. But you've got to check them all. Okay. So in this case then, you've got 10 times 12, 120. And then 120 does indeed divide by 8. Okay, so you can check these on your calculator to be sure. So we've got 13 in. Okay, so there we've got 12 times 14. 168, and then you've got to divide that by 8 and we get 23. Okay, no, 21. That's why I should check on my calculator. Okay, let's just double check that there. Yeah, 21, but it is divisible by 8, isn't it? Okay, so check the next one then. 17 take away 1, 17 plus 1, that comes out to be 288. Is it divisible by 8? Well, let's just check. Yes, 36. Exactly, right? So then 2 more to check. 19. Okay, take away 1, 19 plus 1. So we get 360, yeah? And 360 divided by 8 is 45. So that one is divisible by 8. And then finally then, 528, and is 528 divisible by 8? Well, let's just check that. It comes out to be 66. So we've proved by exhausting them all, essentially by exhaustion, that all of p between 25 and 2 such that p is prime, okay, has p minus 1, p plus 1 divisible by 8.